In this era of surging technology, the automotive industry strives to focus on driving safety and AI intelligent experience when you hold the steering wheel. Do you long for comprehensive security protection and enjoy the convenience and peace of mind brought by intelligent technology? Now, we can help you fulfill this expectation. As an industry leader that has been deeply involved in visual, imaging and safety-assisted driving products for 15 years, Future Technology has always been at the forefront of the industry. With visual imaging safety-assisted driving systems as its core positioning, our product matrix is rich and diverse, covering driving recorders, AI streaming electronic rearview mirrors, 720, panoramic parking systems, BSM car blind spot monitoring systems, etc. From a single automotive electronic product to the current multi-category and multi-series AI intelligent products, from a single car to passenger cars, motorcycle, and commercial vehicles, regardless of the type of vehicle, it can be matched with an exclusive visual image safety assistance system to safeguard every journey. We persist in our R&D innovation, surmount technical challenges, and breakthrough key points in software, hardware, and systems. From traditional imaging technology to AI intelligent recognition technology, we are making our products smarter and more intelligent for all. With profound technical accumulation and sharp marketing insight, we tailor efficient product design solutions for numerous car dealers, helping them stand out in fierce market competition and quickly seize the market high ground. Future Technology is building an automotive-grade factory. It has standardized dust-free workshops, laboratories, and other production workshops that meet the stringent requirements of automotive OEMs and suppliers in the modern production base. We're equipped with a series of domestically leading in automotive, intelligent electronic and imaging product production equipment, such as Panasonic dual-track SMT machines, GT automatic printers, and 3D SPI AOI inspection systems, etc. Every step of our production process is meticulously controlled, with multiple rounds of quality checks before delivery. Our commitment to excellence has earned us certifications such as IATF TS 16949, FCC 3C, and CE, and secured partnerships with leading automotive clients in Japan, Indonesia, Thailand, and Taiwan. Moreover, Future Automotive Technology actively integrates upstream supply chains and expands sales channels rapidly, deploying across major e-commerce platforms. Overseas trade is active in regions such as the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Japan, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. With the excellent performance and unique advantages of its products, Future Technology's brand influence continues to rise globally. Future Technology looks forward to working with you to embark on a new era of AI intelligent driving.